Hi, it's Claire here. Let me now show you how to increase in a circle. So generally you'll start off with 6 stitches and then you'll increase each round. So one of these is called a round. So this is round 1 and we'll increase each round by 6 stitches. So let me show you. So this is round 1. Now I'm moving on to round 2. So to move on to round 2, we're going to double crochet into each stitch twice. So that's 1. And let's just stop here. I always just like to place a stitch marker at this point because you know when you get to this point, you know that you've completed your second round or whichever round you're working on. If you've not got a stitch marker, use an earring or just use a piece of yarn just to note that point, but I highly recommend this if you're starting out. So we've done 1 and we're going to do another one straight back into that loop. If you don't know how to double crochets or if you want to just refresh yourself, just check out my other videos and I'll put a link down below. And now we're going to double crochet twice into each and every stitch, and there's 6 of them, so we're going to be moving from having 6 double crochets on our rounds to 12 double crochets, and we'll count those up when we finish, so just give me a minute. So here we go. You can see here that my piece of crochet has increased in size, and that's because we've done our first round, which is this, and that's got 6 in there, and then we've moved on and we've now got 12 on this round. You can see that my circle is starting to come apart here. That's absolutely fine, so don't really worry about it because I'm just going to leave that like that. If I want to close it tighter, I can do, and I'm just going to weave that in at the end of my project, but this magic loop just pulls tighter, so don't worry about it. So now we've done 2 rounds and I'm going to move on to my 3rd round. We've got 12 stitches currently and we're going to be moving up to have 18. So then to make 18 we do 1 double crochet into the first stitch, and don't forget to reinsert that stitch marker. So 1 double crochet into the first stitch and then 2 double crochets into the next stitch. And then we will continue and we'll do 1 double crochet into the next stitch and 2 double crochets into the stitch after that. And you will repeat that 1 double crochet into 1 stitch, 2 double crochet into the next around, and that will then give you 18 stitches in total. And the key is with crocheting a circle is that you want to increase each round by 6 stitches unless the pattern says something different. But by increasing it by 6 stitches, you're going to end up with a lovely circle, a lovely flat circle. And so you start off with 6. So let's just recap. We'll do our 6 times table. We'll do 6 and then we'll do 12 and then we'll do 18 and then we'll do 24 and so on, however big you want your circle. What I'll do is at the end of this video I'll give you a little pattern to make a circle so you'll know exactly what you're doing. And that is 3 rounds. So we've got 1 round, we've got 2 rounds, we've got 3 rounds, we've got 18 stitches on there. So if you want to make your circle even bigger, just check out my pattern that's down below. And guys, if you like this video, please do give me the thumbs up. Please subscribe down below and please share with your friends.